Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will learn how to send text message from your own MIT App Inventor app to someone. Okay, so how we can do this? So here we see the example first. So here you can see that's the app here. Now if I just type here one message, hello, and click on contact, and you need to just pick any contact from your list. If I just pick this one number, and now I'm just going to click on send button, and you will see here that's the name of the person here, and that's the message, and just click on this sign button. Fine. Now go to the back, click on the record button, and just record some message. This text message from MIT App Inventor app. Fine, that's your message here. Now you can pick any contact, click on this contact button, and pick any number like this one, and just click on send button. Fine. So here we go. First, we need to click on Start New Project, and that's my app name, SMS App. Click on OK. We are using here MIT App Inventor. If you are new, so make sure you should log in into ai2appinventor.mit.edu. Now that's the dashboard here. That's our Android mobile first screen. Now here I'm to drag and drop one layout. Okay, and that should be something. I'm using a vertical arrangement like this one, and make this height is fill parent and width is also fill parent. And here I'm going to use one text box. You can see here text box like this one, and make this one multi-line, just checked multi-line, and make this height should be at least 20%. Okay, and make this one width fill parent. Fine. Now here we need use one button here, okay, to send a message, and one more button to pick a contact. Okay, so I'm going to use here one more layout, and that one is horizontal arrangement like this, and make this fill parent. Fine, and just drag and drop here one more button here I'm to use for the contact pick. Okay, so using first button, we just type here select number. Okay, for the getting the contact number from our contact list, and for second button it's for just send. Okay, for sending the message. Now here we use one more button to record the message. Okay, so record like this. Now I'm to change this vertical arrangement background color something orange like this, and make this one horizontal is also orange. Fine, we will use a speech recognizer. Okay, and here I'm to use one more thing. That one is go to the social, and you will see a texting. Just drag and drop this component. Fine. Now enable Google Voice, and we have to drag and drop contact picker. You will see a contact picker. So you can just use your phone number picker. Okay, just drag and drop this here. So I'm going to use here like this, and just remove or just delete this button and rename this on contact number contact button. That one is the record button, and here you'll need to one more button is send button. Just rename this. Fine. So whenever someone click on just send PTN. Fine. Now go to the block section here, and whenever someone click on contact number picker, okay. So whenever someone click on this, when number dot pick after picking, what we will do, we have to set this number. So just you will see here texting, and you will see here the set texting phone number. Okay, that one, and just click on phone number contact picker, and you will get the number here option. Where is it? Just wait a second, you will get that one, phone number picker dot phone number. Okay, so just like this, we have to set this number here. Now second thing what we will do, whenever someone click on the send button whenever we are trying to send the message. So we have to send the message. So we have to set first the message, which message we have to set. So just click on text box 1. So just first click on the texting and you will see here texting dot message. And where is our message? In the text box 1 dot text. That's our message. So where is the text box 1 dot text? So that's our message here. Okay. So we have to send this message and which number we are going to send in which. So you will see here that whenever we pick one number, that's the text phone number. That's the message here. Now, if someone want to record the click on the record button, so what we will do, we will call the speech recognizer. So just click on record button whenever someone click on the button record button. So we have to call speech recognizer for getting text. After getting text, we have to set this text in text box 1 dot, where it is, click on text box 1 dot text, set text box 1 dot text, this one, to result. So just hold mouse over get result like this. Now we have to send this message. So whenever someone click on the send button, so we have to set texting dot message to text dot one and we have to send this. So just click on texting and you will see here texting dot send message like this. Fine. So that's overall it. Let's run this app and how it's work. So here you can see that's the app here. Now if I just type here one message, hello, and click on contact, and you need to just pick any contact from your list. If I just pick this one number, and now I'm just going to click on send button, and you will see here that's the name of the person here, and that's the message, and just click on this send button. Fine. Now go to the back, click on the record button and just record some message. This text message from MIT App Inventor app. Fine, that's your message here. Now you can pick any contact, click on this contact button and pick any number like this one and just click on send button. Fine. So that's very easy way to send message from your MIT App Inventor app. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.